Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a well-equipped 2017 Nissan Rogue SV, stock number Z5511A. Only 9,000 miles on this one owner, local trade, comes to us with a clean auto check history report, palatial ruby red in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 3-year 36,000 mile bumper to bumper and 5-year 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. It's a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Seats 5 with a cloth interior, and of course very clean inside and out. Custom fit WeatherTech mats throughout. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. And power liftgate for convenience. Lots of storage space in the rear with additional underfloor storage. And of course, no dents or dings in the body. This SV has keyless entry with remote start. Power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. That steering wheel is also heated. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Steering wheel mounted audio controls, cruise control, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio, navigation to get you where you need to go, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use. And that's of course where the backup camera display is. Also has surround sound view, dual zone automatic temperature control, USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect mobile media devices like iPods, MP3 players, smartphones, automatic transmission, and heated front seats. Lots of storage space in the armrest. And a spacious glove box with all the owner's material. Under the hood, this Rogue has a 2.5 liter, 4-cylinder, 170 horsepower. And of course, just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy. EPA average 26 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 33 on the highway, and of course only 9,000 miles on those tires. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCZ5511A to 66245.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.